on.io. Today I'm going to show you what a worker is. So, if we take our example before of the movie theater, with our patrons in line as the queue, the ticket taker is our worker. So, normally if you were to open up your own movie theater, what you do is kind of everything, right? Ideally, you'd have somebody coming in, you would take their ticket, you'd see if they wanted anything at the concessions such as, let's say, a soda, and then they'd go into the theater. After the movie was done, you would then clean up the movie, theater, and then do it all over again. Now, as you grow, you're going to need help. And in order for that to happen, you hire employees. So, at first, what you do is you say, hey, I don't really want to do the cleanup, so I'm going to hire an employee here. So now you have an employee to do the cleanup. You're still doing the ticket taking and the concessions. Then you say, you know what? I'm tired of the concessions. Let's hire an employee here as well. The same thing with ticket taking. So now, all you're really doing is watching over them and making sure that things are happening. This is great. So, if we take it into the worker scenario, we say, hey, originally, when a request comes in, we're going to have a server handle it. And it's going to handle all these requests. Eventually what's going to happen, too many requests are going to be coming in. So what do? We reroute these requests to something called a worker. Same thing as an employee. The server right here in the front is the main thing. But in order to balance the workload, we have these workers to offset the requests that the server can't handle or doesn't really want to. This is the main and important one. So as long as this request gets handled, everything's gravy. These ones are supplementary requests. And truthfully, it's okay if they're a little bit delayed. Nobody's really going to mind. So we offload those to something we call a worker or an employee. So the worker is tasked with taking on these requests, and as long as the request gets done, everybody's happy, and the three of these pieces work in harmony. And that's what a worker is. Be sure to check out some of our other awesome videos. I'm your Thanks for joining us.